In today's video, I'm just gonna eat this whole bag. Let's go. All right, these are, I don't know what these are, honestly. Pina colada looks like the flavor. It says they're artesian gummies, macro dose. I thought it said macaroons. So I was expecting a little macaroon in here, but it's gummy. So let's eat them. Number one, 10 milligrams. I'm gonna eat 100 milligrams, see how stoned I get. Ooh, it has like a I wasn't expecting that. It has like a chili outside coating. That's fire. Oh, that's fire. Flavor-wise, that was so not what I was expecting, but it's really delicious, tasty. I just was not expecting that. Next one, at least now I know. It's got a little kick to it, a little bit of a flavor, okay? I just ate one of those before church. I'm gonna wait till after before I eat number two, but let's see how we're feeling after church in about an hour or two, okay? We'll let this first 10 milligram enter the bloodstream, okay? Okay. How many milligrams can you guys eat? Let me know in the comments how many milligrams does it take for you to get stoned.
Your pumpkin? The big pumpkin? Yeah.
Oh.
Do you see it, Bailey? Oh.
Hi, buddy.
You see the duck?
Does the other duck want some? Oh, baby elk.
You got a big dumpy?
Pumpkin!
Where do we go? Good job. Yeah, you did it, dude. Hi. Thank you. We got that tornado potato. It came unseasoned. We put some garlic parmesan on it. With the garlic parmesan, I'd say it's like a 5.5 out of 10. It's like mid-item, but it's the experience, man. It's the experience. And the baby likes it too. No. All right, last item. Got some fried Oreos before we get out of here. It's a great time.
All right, just got back from church, feeling absolutely fantastic. It's time to eat a couple more of these, jump on a live stream. If you want to join, kick.com, Tim is live, run a couple of highlights, play some games, and eat some edibles. Number two.
100, man. Absolutely insane. Shout out to all these individuals in here.
All right, now, while I can't say these are my favorite tasting edibles, the spice kind of threw me off a little bit, all right? I honestly just wasn't expecting it. And I like some chili, I like some spice, but the gummy, I don't know, I just wasn't expecting it. It threw me off a little bit. Flavor-wise, 6.5 out of 10. But effectiveness, these things, I mean, look at me, okay? I'm still stoned. I've eaten 3 of them. I'm gonna eat a couple more and just continue to vlog, let you guys know how I'm feeling. I'm trying to get the rest of this whole bag in, but I don't think I need the whole bag, to be completely honest, man. I don't think I do. All right, Jana's gonna try one of these and give you guys a little opinion on the flavor at least.
Definitely not going for 2. We're going for 1. Okay, so there's like a...
That chili. It
There's a
scared me.
kick?
It scared me when I didn't know it was spicy.
Oh, it's good though. It's like the top of a michi. Oh, so good. It's like a harder sugar coating. No, gummy on the
It's
inside.
like the Mexican candy coating.
Yeah.
Ew.
It's fire though. You gotta want spice though. It's a little spicy.
Question specifically for the parents that are watching this right now. Have edibles helped you, consume your cannabis, your meds, while taking care of the kids? You don't got to worry about the smell, the smoke, hiding it a little bit more. I want to know, man, because for Jana particularly, edibles have been a blessing, an absolute blessing. She's able to not have to worry about if she smells like smoke or any of those other things, and just, eat a couple gummies and allow her to go on with the day and deal with her stresses and everything, no problem. So, edibles, dub, parents, let me know in the comments. I want to know your opinion. Let's keep eating these things.
All right, we are on our way to Pine Park, sitting in some fun traffic. You know the vibes, man. Always some good times when you're just chilling in the traffic. What do you guys do when you got like an hour of traffic? You guys listen to a podcast, maybe Pine Park? Let me know in the comments, man. I've been listening to some Joe Rogan stuff right now, listening to Joe Rogan and Graham Hancock talk about like ancient discoveries and ancient theories on things, and aliens, have they come, or has the whoa, calm down, Tesla, chill out, or has the information that we've been given been skewed or anything by archaeologists and stuff. It's a great listen though. Graham Hancock, He's an interesting fellow, man. He's an interesting fellow. Let's go smoke, man. It's Pine Park time, baby. Come on, let's get through this traffic.
One of the things about wheel is you have to ask yourself, in what circumstances, in what places, in what conditions are wheels useful?
Lawnmower service, I ain't have to sell white tees. Orange and blue Richard Mill feel like Spike Lee.
All right, just parked at Pine Park. Before I rolled in, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that supports the live streams. Today on the live stream, we hit our monthly goal, 300 subscriptions on there. Unreal. I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that does support on there. You guys are very, very appreciated. If you haven't checked out a live stream, please come check them out, man. We have a good time. We're smoking a lot of hash. We're playing a lot of games. It's just a fucking vibe, all right? Let's go get this other vibe going with Pine Park. I don't know if we're shooting just the podcast or if we're also doing the munch. I don't know. Let's find out.
Behind the scenes, guys. Look at this stuff, man. Josefo works his ass off for us, man.
Look at this stuff, baby. We're on the set, man. A little early. Looking at what we're planning for the day. It's going to be a good one, man. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you some behind the scenes. We're rolling the dice. There's special rules involved with it. You're going to see it here, okay?
You by Pine Park. We have strains dropping today, Thursday, 24th in Florida. The Grape Junkie on 8th. The first time that we are going to have.
Let's go.
We got approved by the state, so.
Nice. New packaging, baby. Let's go. That's exciting. Josefo hit us with the crazy ones today, man. We got a rolling the dice challenge. Each fucking roll is a different punishment, I guess. I don't know what's happening, man. 0.5 dabs are going up. Trilogy. Thank you guys, man. You guys are sponsoring all these dabs. Appreciate you. Oh. That's it. All right, we are headed off to film the munch now. Just finished Pine Park After Dark. Got to exit this parking garage, and then we are off to Breadhead Sandwiches. This is a spot owned and operated by 2 Michelin star chefs. They might have 2 stars. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember. I got to read through the paperwork again. But we're on our way. The munch, baby. All right, we are headed to Breadhead Sandwiches, man. Passing Wilshire right now. Let's get through this traffic. And let's get to some sandwiches, man. Come on. I'm hungry. The heady ears, man. This place looks delicious. We're out in Breadhead filming. Eric's got new merch out. Check it out. Check it out. Looks nice in public.
Bready sandwiches.
Oh my God, there's more. There's more. All right, we filmed the next episode of The Munch. That place was amazing. It's called Breadhead. You'll be able to see it on Pine Park's channel. It's time to get home, man. Let's drop through this traffic, baby. It's time to get on a live stream, man. If you don't know, we live stream at kick.com/TimIsLive. I'll see you guys over there. We made it home. Check this out, though, man. I just got back. Look at this, man. The update on this piece. Jana's working on it. This thing is absolutely crazy, man. Shout out to Bobby. Thank you, Josefo. I appreciate the gift. Bobby Trill, baby. Got new terps. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But time to tune into a little computer on. And there's already some people in here vibing, man. Let's go. Dude, you guys are insane. Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys, man? What a fun couple of days. Went to the pumpkin patch. Got to show you guys some behind the scenes Pine Park. The pumpkin patch was super fun. Watching Bailey run through the little corn maze thing was absolutely hilarious. Eating some good snacks. Always a good time. I'm going to rip a dab off the bomb right here. But I had a question before I heat this up. Are you guys still taking really hot dabs, or have you moved on to like the low temp flavor zone with like the colder start dabs? I personally, I go back and forth, but I often find myself over on the hot dab side. I don't know why. Personally, I don't know if it's true, but I think it gets me more stoned. I don't know if it's like a placebo effect. I don't know if it's just in my head. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I get more stoned when I take a hot dab. I feel like I'm not wasting any of the oil, and I still think it tastes great. But oftentimes when I take a hot dab, people, you're wasting the terps. How could you do this? What are you doing, Tim? So I just want to let you guys know in the comments, man. I take hot dabs, I take cold dabs, I do a little of both. What do you guys take though, and which one is the best? Let me know in the comments. Let's heat this up and take a little rip ourselves, man. Haven't used this one in a while. I've been using my newer one with like the new colorway. I got it at the studio. But the teal is a classic, man. This thing has definitely got its use though. It's a little dirty, man. I need to clean this thing. Cheers, you guys. It's just about heated up. Let's go. That was my first hit of the day. Fuck. Woo! Had to recover for a second after that one. If you are dabbing, I got a video coming up next after this little vlog recap hangout. The next video you'll see, we're gonna do a one dab review on this brand new jar right here that I got from Trilogy. You'll know the flavor on the next video. Hit like, hit the subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.
Peace.